Ayo Animashaun talk say Headies this year now for America. I don't know why he decide to carry and go America. Hmm? I don't know how the thing won't take benefit us when carry and go America. But then make I call Ayo Animashaun, make I ask him, make I know why in decide to carry this year Headies go America when we never do for the whole Nigeria finish. Eh? Ayo never do for the whole Nigeria finish. He decide to go America. Yeah. So make I just make I ask Ayo why America not Nigeria. Hello.
Good morning, yo.
Good morning, my brother. I greet you. So this morning I just want quickly just ask you. I know say on the 1st of March you don't announce headies of this year. Say it go happen for Atlanta, America.
Yes.
But then my simple question when I want ask you be say why America? Plenty places there for Nigeria where you never. I know say you don't do for Abuja, you don't do Lagos, Port Harcourt dey there, Anambra dey there. Why? So why you can't carry am go America? Why?
Um, I'm sorry, my teaching is not good, but I'll try.
No, Allah.
Okay, so yeah, I'll be comfortable just talking. I don't know who will understand me.
Yeah,
See,
just
our music has gone global.
mm,
Our music has gone global. We've had some of the biggest collaborations in a different time in our history.
mm,
It's a different time in our history, and people, I understand the sentiment that people want their work to remain here and all that, but some things will not just happen in our backyard. If you want to take, a lot of Americans are taking their things here, and nobody is asking them why are they taking it to Africa. They'll finish doing everything there. Some of those bars that we knew 10, 15 years ago, they came from America to Nigeria. Why can't we take our own brands there? Why can't we take our own brands there and showcase more talents to the world? Now, if you say, okay, Nigeria, they do well for abroad, Nigeria, they try, our music, they count them, then reach 10. Why we don't feel call everybody with matter, we come put our artists there, make them showcase more talents where they never see before. So that these new people for free earn more dollars, bring them home, cost spend them for here.
okay. I don't understand the angle where this whole thing they come now. But then my simple question to you now be say, how you want can take carry all the artists? I know as headies they be, even during COVID, where you try to still restrict, reduce the crowd. How you want take move most of the Nigerian acts from here go America? How you want take do them?
Okay, the truth is, the first thing about doing anything is to want to do it. The second thing is to believe in it. The third thing is to now look at the steps to making sure that it happens. This thing, be what's called rocket science now.
Yeah.
We don't go even Abuja here. I know the American are different ball game entirely. We don't go Abuja here where we carry more than 600 people go charter plane, do everything, carry them go there. Here, and a lot of our artists already we go get nominated. We don't get nominated before that. Some of them don't get visas. Some of them will not get. You go help them get. So now the most important thing now to just ensure say we help them get, we get tickets for them, and we get accommodation for them, and we still showcase them. We can't get the people where they main media for America, for television, for music business, not even only America, around the world, converge in America, make this thing for free happen. And another thing, if you remember for 2015,
Yeah.
we don't try. We don't try. We won't bring. Me don't see Grammys. I don't see what's it called BET for there. I don't see different awards. Ironically, one of the best awards where I don't see now for Africa and a South African Music Awards, the kind of production.
Yeah, that time, yes.
The kind of production we then get there. Now, they very, very. I know they see that kind of production for this side.
For Nigeria, yes.
I know they see them for this side. Maybe we tell ourselves the truth. We can't go South Africa, go meet those people who do the production. See me and come here, can't do edit for us. They can't do edit for us. The kind of wahala where we first enter to to come, they say we must book venue for 1 week. With the venue where we know where would they use it, they no give us 1 week.
1 week.
Because other people pay. You can't go another venue where give us 1 week landmark.
Yes, I remember that landmark award. Yes, me and you talk about them. Yes, yes.
As we carry all the container, because the equipment are very, very sophisticated equipment. I come back on Nigeria. Nigerians go come out there. All this way they bring them, we get them for here. I can't come back and ask my people whether they get them quickly. We can't look for them. None of them did. None did. We can't tell those people to bring out. We want 540-foot containers. Before, our wahala for here, the process too long. Before we go through the process of anything, there are only 2 ship. Now, the money where we not be planned to spend, we now fly in 340-foot container for cargo plane. You reach here to come out from airport na wahala. 3 days, 4 days to clear na wahala. This officer go sign. This one no day. This one no day. By the time the awards we advertised for December 30th, you can't move and go 1st of January. These people charge me more before we clear the containers. Just because we want make people see the video. Make them talk say no, this one now another level. The no fee happen. The wahala too much. The process too much. The people too much. Even the people where we may carry come from them, make them come work for here. Because this thing where we dey carry go abroad, so we don't try do our here before.
Work.
The frustration where we get for here. The money where we lose, so we dey try do something. And that year I thought I no dey do again now.
Yes, I remember.
Like in my business, I don't stop this thing. That's why people they jump into awards after 2 or 3 editions, they jump out. Because they go see sponsor, they go see this guy don't collect. By the time you begin spend the small money, you no go even if you do half, you will call the run around. And people will get their business where they give their rest of time. What do they want? They follow what they do to can't lose money. You can't be like say you don't make sense. So I understand. If people don't understand something, they don't go feel understand. So they go they ask questions. And a part of our force say any opportunity we will get to educate them why this thing they happen. It they happen. Now our artists go there now. We get proud. Say, our music. If you enter one store now, they go they play them there. Enter this one, you go to the dance our music.
Yeah.
Now there they play this one. Now maybe we sell waiting we get to the world. I don't understand how we go want sell our talent to the world. Now people go the best.
People good. But then make I just ask you just this last question quickly. I see the next rated this thing. And you talk saying a Bentley the person go win for next rated. Not true because the thing just full social media. Yeah. Make I ask you one-on-one now, make people hear them by themselves.
Now Bentley won't give them this year.
Next rated.
And you get why. People don't forget you see this next rated way that they talk, no be rookie.
Yeah.
They know that they different. When if you check the people we don't win next weekend before, maybe we start from like Asha we don't win.
Asha, yes.
What's called one day co winner. When one day co winner, he get motor. We give our motor that time.
Yes, I remember.
He happy, he happy. After that, we give some other people. School key, they happy. They cause they win. Later, the artist where they win they be like say the motor can't be like us. Don't say we reduce the motor.
Yes, now. Yeah, the artist can't big past the motor.
The industry can't get bigger. So you go give motor, then some go give manager, some go give personal assistant, some go even drop out for house, some they go use they drop people for airport and all that. And the value and the prestige of this thing now make you for give them waiting where they go fit drive.
Yes.
They know saying that their talent give them this one. So if for better me we not give motor at all now.
Yes.
But if you don't start something, you get to want to upscale up so that people go to enjoy more.
Nice.
You get to want to upscale up. Now waiting with the try to do that.
Okay, so just on the final note, this one now where they do these headies now, how sponsorship take they come? How you now from your pocket you get just 30 seconds. Sponsorship, how we take they come?
A lot of people believe in and they are sponsoring, but the amount where they sponsor,
I
you understand?
I know. No worry, I know.
I know. Some people say if you tell them what you want, you can't tell them the budget. You call them tomorrow. Say people wait around the top for 6 months. They can't be like say their phone because they busy or they will come to the game.
I know.
You understand? But some people still believe in that.
Okay.
Some people still believe in that. It's more difficult, but it's achievable.
All right. All right. So thank you so much. Ayo Animashaun, Oga for Hip TV, Oga for Headies, and I mean they do plenty other things. So congratulations in advance. We go see for June for
See
Atlanta
you in
then.
Atlanta.
Atlanta, yes. All right then. Yeah.